Hi, Adrian here with Pins and Needles. Today we're going to talk about how to decrease neck tension that can be related to working on the computer too much. The first exercise we're going to talk about is a chin tuck. You can do it right from sitting in your desk chair. All you're going to do is put your fingers on the muscles in the front of your neck. Slowly bring your chin down and in. If these muscles in the front engage, you start to see a little bit of that coming in or feel that, then you're doing too much. It's a pretty subtle exercise. What we're trying to fix is when you're working on a computer and you do this. We want to make sure we're addressing that by doing this chin tuck. Hold for a couple of seconds and relax. And repeat. So from the side, hands here, neck normally like this. Want to kind of bring it back and retract to here. Make sure when you guys are doing this, you're paying attention to your shoulders and upper back as well. It doesn't do you any good to go like this and start doing this exercise. You want to pull those shoulders up, back, and down as you do it. The next exercise we're going to talk about is a really easy stretch. I see a lot of people coming in and they say they do this kind of stretch for their neck. That works, but the chin tuck is much better for it. A stretch that can kind of help you out is if you grab onto your forearm and pull that down, and at the same time tilt your neck to the side. That'll help to stretch out that upper trapezius. Same thing, pulling that arm down, tilting head to the side. The last exercise we're going to talk about is another rolling technique. And a lot of the other videos that I've shown, I like to show using a lacrosse ball. This is a specific one that has more of the spikes on it. This is another rock ball that comes in a set. I like them, but there's lots of different varieties out there that you can choose from. And for this one, we do need to lie down. So as I mentioned, you need to lie down. You're going to get the ball, lay down, and put the spiked aspect on one side of the neck at a time. And then you can use gravity to kind of slowly relax into that spot. You're able to control the pressure. If you need to support your head as well to take some of that pressure off because it's too much, that is another option. You can also slightly rotate to get into a different spot. And we're holding these for about 30 seconds as long as it's tolerable. Then when we're done, switch sides. Make sure we keep ourselves even. Same thing, if this side's a little tighter than the other side maybe, you can support that neck to take the pressure off. And remember, when you're using these exercises, these types of balls, it should be pain-free. You're not trying to crush yourself, you're not trying to elicit pain, you're trying to decrease pain. So just that firm, constant pressure that's tolerable is what you're going for. And if any of these hurt, or you need a little bit more clarification, you definitely want to talk to your healthcare provider. They can give you tips on how to perform these exercises that are more appropriate for you if they're not working. So that was just a few tips on how you can decrease some neck tension from working on a computer too much. Lots of other ways that you can do it too. If you want to learn more or you liked this video, please feel free to drop us a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.